Hi guys, it's Andy here. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got two friends with me. We're actually in Uganda. I've got the one and only Carl with me. We used to fly together, and also his wife Vicky. So today we're in Uganda, as you've probably gathered, and I've got Barbara next to me as well. She's okay. Gonna show us around, and we're going to Aero Beach. Now we've been there before, but this time I thought I'd take Carl and Vicky with us, and we'll have a look. Yeah. So Carl and I we're actually looking for the plane that got hijacked in '76, the Entebbe hijacking, and we don't know if this is a plane or not, do we? No. Certainly seem a lot of old wrecks here as well. Actually, I mean, this is a I don't know what kind of plane it is, to be honest, but it used to be a plane. I know it's warm here. Still looking around. I mean, apart from domestic planes, so to speak, there's a few airliners here, and also fighter jets as well. So let's have a look at them as well. Come across some more jets. I mean, I don't know what kind they are, to be honest. So we're going to actually walk across further over there, and there's another big plane, and I've got a funny feeling that is the plane that was in the hijack all those years ago. So I thought this might be the plane that was in the hijack, but it says on the British Air Force up there. So I don't think this is a plane either, actually. Not much left of it, as you can see. The engine's still here. Well, we're on the wing track now, and we're going to have a look inside and see what it's like.
Absolutely. In a boat.
In you go. Where's the seat? In fact, actually, we're in first class at the moment. We're going to sit where the pilot used to sit. Let's walk down the other end to see what we can see. Now, I don't know much about these aeroplanes, but I have no idea what this is down at the back over here. It's I don't know if it's just the end of the aircraft or what. I don't know. Well, I've just spoke to somebody and they actually told me that this is the plane that actually got hijacked in 1976-77. So, not much left of it now, but there's a bit of history there for you. Well, we're walking down to the beach now, and you see the music's getting louder as well. Whoa. Well, there we go, guys. That's my little trip to the Aero Beach here in Uganda. It's in Entebbe, and it's in fact just on the outskirts of the actual airport itself. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. That'd be absolutely great. And once again, please leave a comment. And thanks very much for watching. Catch you later. Bye for now.